Hey friends, who's hungry? Sweet and tangy apple cider vinegar marinated chicken will definitely hit the spot on your dinner table. In a medium saucepan, combine 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 2 tablespoons of salt, 1½ teaspoons of ground black pepper, half a cup of vegetable oil or canola oil, and 1 cup of apple cider vinegar. Simmer the marinade gently over medium heat, stirring frequently until the sugar dissolves. Then set it aside to cool completely. Transfer 2 pounds of bone-in, skin-on chicken thighs to a large plastic freezer bag. Pour the marinade over the top. Then seal the bag and gently toss the chicken pieces to coat them in the sauce. Marinate the chicken in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or up to 8 hours. For best results, flip the bag halfway through to keep all the sides of the chicken soaked in flavor. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking pan with foil for easy cleanup. Fit it with a wire rack and give it a light coating of cooking spray. Drain the chicken, discard the marinade, and arrange the chicken thighs on the rack. Bake for 30 to 45 minutes until the internal temp hits 160 degrees Fahrenheit and the skin is crisp. Let the chicken rest for 15 minutes before serving. Looking for more recipes? Watch my next video and be sure to subscribe to my channel.